D stands for daring to dream a new reality, and then taking the steps to do it, being action-oriented. Yes, it's important to love, but love without action is irrelevant. And action without love is also irrelevant. But when you combine them, and when you have what people call SMART goals, SMART is an acronym, S-M-A-R-T, stretch more than you can reach, make sure that you make everything measurable, make sure that your team agrees with you, make sure that you record your progress, and make sure that you set a time limit. SMART goals. Empowerment is to empower yourself, as I said, with the 3 qualities of charisma: being present, honoring your word, taking responsibility for your situation, but going deeper into the nature of yourself. And responsibility also includes making sure that you take calculated risks, that as a leader you're taking the initiative, and that in today's world you want to be an entrepreneur in your life, no matter what business you're in.